Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Find the zeros of the polynomial 30c square 82c plus 56. So here we'll use splitting the middle term. So we'll have to splitting the middle term. So we'll have to find the factors of 30 multiplied by 56, that is leading coefficient multiplied by constant, so that their addition is 82. So 30 multiplied by 56 is 5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8. So 6 sevens are we have 42, 5 eights are we have 40. 40 multiplied by 42 is the required multiplication, and 40 plus 42 gives us 82. Therefore 40 and 42 is what we split the middle term in. So 30c square plus 40c plus 42c plus 56. So we can take 10 common out here, 10c. So 10c. Okay, so we cannot keep the same numbers inside the bracket for next two. So I'm going to take 5c common out instead of 10c. So 5c, I get 6c plus 8, and plus when I take 7 common out here, I get 6c plus 8. So 6c plus 8 is common from both terms, and we are left with 5c plus 7 in bracket. So these are the factors of the polynomial. Therefore zeros will be 6c plus 8 equal to 0 and 5c plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore c equal to minus 8 by c or c equal to minus 7 by 5. So let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option A.